Magandang umaga. Ako nga pala ang guro, si Teacher Billy. Naganda ako ng isang video upang lubos yung maunawaan ang ating aralin. Inyong panoorin at kayo matuto. Salamat!
Hi everyone! Welcome to the first video in our real number line series. We'll be discussing sets. Sets are a group of items called elements. To show a set, we place the elements in between curly braces like these. A set without any elements is called an empty set or a null set, shown by just the curly braces or this symbol here. Now let me give you an example of a set with one element, a butterfly. The more elements there are in a set, the more we list between the curly braces. This way of writing a set by listing the elements is called the roster method. Another way to show a set is called the set builder notation. Here, you use a description fit for all the elements of the set. This is read as the set of all elements x, such that x is a vowel. This is often used for sets with an infinite number of elements. For example, the set of even counting numbers. When we refer to items that are members of a set, we use this symbol. This symbol means is an element of or is a member of. For items that are not members of a set, we use this symbol. This symbol means is not an element of or is not a member of. Take a look at how these symbols are used. 2 is an element of the set of even numbers, and 5 is not an element of the set of even numbers. Sometimes we need to refer to just parts of a set and not the whole set. These parts of sets are called subsets. Here, the set of 2, 4, and 6 is a subset of the set of even numbers. Let's check these other sets. The set of 1, 4, and 6 is not a subset because 1 is not even. 2, 4, and 12 are all even, so this is a subset. 2, 4, and 25 is not a subset because 25 is odd. And there you have it for sets. Go to the next video to learn about the set of real numbers. View the Real Number Line playlist for other videos in this series. And please don't forget to hit subscribe. Thanks for watching!
Union and intersection of sets. In the sets video, we learned that sets can be represented with the roster method and the set builder notation. In the interval notation video, we learned sets can also be represented with the interval notation and graph representations. Sets can also be shown using Venn diagrams. A Venn diagram is a drawing that uses closed curves or shapes to represent a set. Circles are often used. In the set of real numbers video, we used circles and rounded rectangles. Venn diagrams show relationships between sets. In this example, the set of natural numbers is a subset of the set of whole numbers, but it is not a subset of the set of irrational numbers. This is the symbol that means is a subset of. This one means is not a subset of. Here are some of the other relationships you can see from the Venn diagram. Let's look at another Venn diagram that shows set A and set B. When we take the combination of the elements of sets, we call that the union of these sets. This is the symbol for the union of sets. The union of A and B means all the elements that are in A or B. In the roster method, we only have to list these elements once. When we take only the elements that are common to sets, we call that the intersection of these sets. This is the symbol for the intersection of sets. The intersection of A and B means all the elements that are in both A and B. Let's go back to our previous Venn diagram. The union of the set of rational numbers and the set of irrational numbers is the set of real numbers. The intersection of the set of rational numbers and the set of irrational numbers is an empty set. They don't have any common elements. Now let's look at the union or intersection of intervals. A is the set of real numbers less than 7. B is the set of real numbers from 0 to 10. The union of A and B is all of the numbers in A and B combined. The union of A and B is the set of all real numbers less than or equal to 10. The intersection of A and B is all of the numbers common to A and B. The intersection of A and B is the set of real numbers greater than or equal to 0 and less than 7. What do you think the union or intersection will be for this example that has more than 2 sets? What about this example with more than 2 intervals? Try to figure it out by yourself. Then go to our solve along video about sets to see if you're correct. And there you have it for the union and intersection of sets. View the Real Number Line playlist for other videos in this series. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching!